CHMER make high precision EDM and wire cut EDM machines, and their machines are very of high quality. And Manav Marketing is supporting the sales and service for CHMER in South India, and CHMER also supports online support is excellent. Whenever we have a doubt, we call them online, they give a support. Even application also we give, they send documents immediately. And linear motors, they have their own motors. It's a patented one. Nobody else can supply that, and that performance of those machines are excellent. In fact, we are able to sell over 30 machines every year, and we'll continue to sell more CHMER machines because of their quality and customer preference.
Taiwan is a very, very old friend of Indian machine tool industry. Taiwanese machines help the Indian shop floors to produce a lot of great components, and CHMER is here for more than 2 decades. I am having with me Chow as well as Jayaprakash. Both are representing CHMER in India. He is from Taiwan and he is representing Manav Marketing, who are the authorized distributors of CHMER in India. So you are in IMTEX. How you find last couple of days the response of Indian manufacturers, the visitors who are coming here?
As working since from with CHMER 20 years, I think this is my first time to participate in IMTEX. Because even IMTEX was held in Bombay, now to go to Bangalore. So I have the vision also to see how it's growing of this IMTEX. Still now, we can see now it's getting lots of the customer base, and all the customers know if involved in this industry in automobile, the mode, then you want to have the modern machine or to find a new solution, you should come to IMTEX. Yeah, this is what so far we have worked. Even also because of our participation, and also other Taiwanese and other company also coming from also research and study and want to explore the market. So that's why we can stay in the Taiwan pavilion, and also everybody knows about CHMER. Yeah.
So as you told that you are having machines which are in many factories we can see CHMER's wire cut EDM.
Yeah.
CHMER is very famous for wire cut EDM. So which are the new models or new innovation? Like the demand of industry is changing. So you have brought any new products here?
Yes, we also to study and listen to the customer's advice. Also through our partners, we have the users' feedback. We will know about what could be the technology change, what the cutting tool also changes, what some skill enhancements, and also in feedback to our product. We have to do also some features we must to meet this point. So we will promote the right product to customers. Yeah.
So Jayaprakash, like we see the wire cut EDM, right? So
Yes.
we know there is an operation happening, but technically we don't know how important it is for a tool maker, it is for a automobile component manufacturer.
Yes.
So how CHMER is helping the customers?
First of all, CHMER is the topmost and very excellent product in Taiwan. In India also, especially in South India, as we are Manav Marketing, we are representing for South India. Almost we are reached in the last 95 machines because of the latest technologies, especially in linear motor. They are made in-house. The first product in Taiwan, the first manufacturer made own linear motor in-house is the CHMER. And also up to the application part side, they are supporting very well to the customer end. Okay, in technical side also they are very good. In application part also they are very good, and also we are CHMER is the most very friendly user for the customer and operator sides.
So you are also meeting lot of customers
Yes.
here.
Yes.
What is the response you are getting here in IMTEX for CHMER?
IMTEX is the one of the key moment for our business.
Yes.
We will meet all the South India customers in the one place, and also we will meet the lot of industries, aerospace, that aeronautics and the medical industries, tool room, plastic, all of them industry will come, and it is the one of the best exhibition in the India.
It's best platform. It's the best platform to let us show products or to introduce why should everybody also come to for this show. Yeah, sometimes we not only showing our product, it's also to helping Indian why to come to this show to see these facilities and make a more choice. So this also had the value for why everybody should participate in this.
Chao already told that being in the exhibition is very important so that we can get the feedback.
Yes.
And these feedbacks are helping them to make a product which is much better. Chao, thank you very much for sharing your time. I think you are having
Thank
a
you,
great
Harry.
partner.
Yes.
Thank you, JP.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Manav
you, sir.
Marketing,
Thank you.
who are the representatives for them in South India. We will meet you soon, maybe in
Yes,
Taiwan.
Saudi Arabia also will
May-
participate in the show.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
in Taiwan.
In Taiwan, TikTok.
Kim
Taiwan.
Toss.
Yeah.
And also,
We'll see
Machine
you
Maker
here.
also updating daily the news and our products also.
Thank
It's
you.
a good channel
Yes.
to reaching the people. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And our endeavor is that whichever good product available in the market,
Yes.
it should help Indian manufacturers to strengthen
Yes.
our capabilities
Yes.
Yes.
so that we can make more components and we can sell to the globe as envisioned by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji.
It's
Yes.
a positive cycle. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.